Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. What if you could take any viral TikTok, plug it into AI, and instantly generate your own original version? Same pacing, same shot, same storytelling, but completely recreated? Today I'm going to show you how to do that only using Gemini and 1 2.5. No edit no paid tools, and definitely no Sora because Sora refuses to generate a lot of these trend based and celebrity adjacent clips. So instead, we're using 1 2.5 through the Kai API, which is completely free and way more flexible. Let's dive in. So Gemini 3 is the first model that can properly analyze a full video, not just describe it. It understands pacing, transitions, camera movement, shot structure, energy, emotional beats, audio timing. So it reverse engineers the entire TikTok. Then 1 2.5 comes in and generate a brand new version from that blueprint. And here's the big thing. Sora blocks tons of replica style content. So anything involving impersonators, parties, memes, or celebrity adjacent content, Sora says nope. But 1 2.5 doesn't block it. So it has far fewer restrictions, and through the Kai API, it's completely free to run. Next step is to pick any viral TikTok. So go to TikTok, find a viral TikTok you want to replicate, whether it's comedy, dancing, storytelling, aesthetics, anything. So I have this TikTok account right here. So the account is Kane Hello One. So I'm just gonna click this Michael Jackson video. Let's watch it.
Woo! Yo, he stole my chicken. Got a crispy treasure, can't slow me down. Hot and golden, I'm mad at this town. Move, move, Friday victory. Well, get back here. Run, spin, slide, I'm gliding out the door. Fried love in my arms, can't give it up no more.
No, that's crazy. That looks absolutely real. So next thing you should do is to copy the URL. Copy that, and that's it. You're ready. So next up is to open Gemini. So go to gemini.google.com, paste the TikTok link, and use this exact prompt. So I said analyze this video moment by moment, describe all actions, shot types, transitions, movements, energy, pacing, and environment. Your goal is to create an 800 character prompt for an AI video generator to recreate this style without copying the creator. Rename any celebrity to an impersonator to avoid content violations. Output only the final 800 character prompt. Hit generate, and Gemini will break down every shot, identify the pacing, map out the camera movement, describe the outfits, locations, props, highlight the rhythm and timing. So it gives us the complete skeleton of the viral TikTok, legally transformed and ready for AI generation. If you want, you can tighten the prompt. You can ask Gemini to shorten this to 750 to 800 characters, make it cinematic and literal, keep it 9 by 16 vertical, remove any block or copyrighted references. Gemini will produce a cleaner, safer, one ready prompt. So, example, create a photorealistic, high definition AI video of Michael Jackson inside a brightly lit fast food chicken restaurant. So, etc., etc. You can read that. Perfect. So, next, let's go to Kai API. So, just search kai.ai or click the link in the description below. Now, this is where 1 2.5 lives for free. So, no credits, no subscriptions, no paywalls, just raw text to video generation. So, look for 1 2.5, click on try it. So, here you have image to video and text to video. Click on text to video. And then in the prompt box, just copy the prompt given by Gemini and paste it in here. Choose a duration. You can choose 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's choose 10 seconds. The aspect ratio, let's use 9 by 16. And the resolution 1080p, the highest. You can put in negative prompt and the seed number. So I'll just leave it as it is and click on run. So let's wait for a moment. 1 2.5 will create realistic motion, dynamic camera angles, accurate pacing, impersonator safe characters, shots that match the original TikTok structure. And because it's through Kai API, you don't get Sora's strict content violations like celebrity likeness not allowed, this resembles copyrighted character, this trend or video type is restricted. So one just makes the video. And here's the result. Let's watch it.
Gliding out the door, fried love in my arms. Can't give it up no more. Certain a thrill.
Great. Now, if one detail is off, you can go back to Gemini and tell it to write the prompt for smoother motion and stronger continuity. Or you can tell one to generate another variation. Two iterations, and it will look extremely close to the target TikTok without being a direct copy. So 1 2.5 can generate audio. You can either generate audio inside 1 2.5, recommended if you want an all-in-one pass, or you can add audio externally if you prefer control. So either way, one supports generating audio, so you don't have to rely on external audio unless you want to. Next is to import into CapCut, Premiere, or TikTok's editor. So you can add captions, timing cuts, motion blur, color grade, zooms, and subtle as effects, then upload to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and X. So you've just recreated a viral TikTok using Gemini 1 2.5, no Sora restrictions, no cost. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Are you tired of creating content that just blends into the background? What if you could freeze your viewers in their tracks and hold their attention for minutes instead of seconds? Introducing Freezur, the AI video creator built to make viral storytelling videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Freezur handles everything from idea generation to script writing, visuals, voiceover, music, and editing. No hours of tedious work, no expensive software or big crews. Just pick your topic, hit go, and you have a ready to upload video. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or marketer, you can repurpose any story, even from Reddit, into a high impact video. Create short form, long form, any language, any niche. Want to sell products, build your brand, or monetize your channel? Freezer gives you the tools to do it. Imagine your product, your service, your story reaching thousands, tens of thousands, even millions. It's not just a dream, it's what Freezer is built for. So, what are you waiting for? Get Freezer now. Just go to getfreezer.in.